Flight 527 ready for departure. East. Roger, flight 807, maintain 15,000.
How do you like the lights and shapes in this B-roll? While creating this creamy clip, I felt like my creativity just exploded. Why, you ask? Because of Nanlite spotlight projection kit along with the Forza 150. This kit enables you to create lighting scenarios and highlight particular parts like labels, like you could not do any other way. And the best part is that it is so easy to do. How? This is what this video is about, since I am taking you behind the scenes with a breakdown of how I shot and edited this creamy B-roll. Also, I share my go-to hack for creating unique lighting in the end, so make sure to watch the whole video. Let's dive in, but first, intro. What's up everyone, Peter here. Let's jump right in and let me show you the set. Today we are shooting an Air Jordan 1 Mid, the Sonic edition. We have so many things going on. First of all, a lot of tube lights with RGB. We are matching the colors. I have my slider here, the Adelcron slider on the amazing cartony tripod using my A7S III with the Sony 90mm macro lens to get those really crispy detailed shots. I'm checking everything with my Atomos Shinobi, and we have a smoke machine right down there and a spotlight attachment from Nanlite, which is super cool because if you go check it out, and the smoke. And we are just highlighting the Air Jordan, the OG Air Jordan logo. And I would like to show you one more thing, which is how we assembled that the shoe is flying. It's a DIY for sure, but the cool thing is that it actually works. And for the backdrop, we are using this backdrop. I'm gonna link everything in the description under the like button, which by the way you could smash. These backdrops are really good because they are not paper. The only problem I have with them is that they could be wider, but for a shoe I think they are great. And they are all supported by the newer 3 C-stand, not a C-stand, but this stand is super cool because I installed these things there. So what I could achieve is that I can have 3 different rolls or backdrops there, and I can just use those. Okay, let's shoot some. There are 2 scenes I want to highlight. One is where I created an intriguing shadows in the scene, and the other is highlighting the product and its label. So why don't we start with the first? Here my idea was to create some sort of mystery and make the viewer think of where it was shot, how was it shot, and what is going on in the scene. Intentionally, I lifted the focus from the product to the whole scene. The reason why I wanted to do that is to create a contrast with the other scene, where all the focus was on the product. So let's check how I created this lighting, but I tell you the secret now. Projecting gobos. As you can see, this is not your typical gobo because I was using the smoke and I wanted the light to break in even a more complex, interesting way.
Autopilot activated.
How cool is that? If you like the scene and this video so far, please show it by giving some love by smashing the like button. Also, let me ask you if you have used a spotlight before and what do you think of gobos? Where would you see yourself leveraging them? Let's start a conversation down in the comments. Okay, now on to the second scene where I wanted the product to pop. So the thing that happens with any kind of softbox is that you do get a decent diffuse soft light, but it is spread across the entire scene. So what if you want to highlight a particular area? The best way you can do that is by using a spotlight and adjusting it to that specific area. This is exactly what I did in this scene, shaping the light with the integrated blades to really make the product and the label pop out. If you want to spice things up, you can play around with changing the intensity of the light and using electronic sliders or GIFs. So in this scene I wanted to add the movement that kind of revealed the product. By combining the movement and the changing of the intensity of the light, I could achieve this dramatic tension building scene. Let me show you how I created it and what the raw footage and the final result looks like. You see how simple it is, yet you get such a unique result. This is exactly why the Spotlight kit became one of my key gear for shots like these. Another key element is the sound effect. If you've been around for a while, you know how much I hate when I see a great B-roll and I can feel how much work went into it, then it just misses the cherry on the top, the sound effects. Let's promise each other not to make that mistake like this one, okay? Pinky promise. Okay, so now let's check the clip, the entire clip without music, just with sound effects, and pay special attention how I incorporated effects for the lighting.
Flight 527 ready for departure. North. East. Roger, flight 807, maintaining 15,000. Autopilot activated.
Just on a whole other level. Okay, that's it from me for this creamy B-roll BTS, but I have other ones as well, so why don't you check out this one right here? Or if you want to learn more about the Spotlight kit, I have a dedicated review of it, just click here. If you like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and smash that notification bell as well. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, since I have tons of good stuff coming up and I can promise you, you are not gonna regret it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, like here, click, bye.